Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you my secret volatility 75 index trading system. If you have been a subscriber on this channel, you definitely find some similarities to the system that I use for trading Forex as well. That's because what I found when I approached synthetic indices is they are not also as random as I thought. Really, when I started trading synthetics, I thought because this thing says synthetics and deriv says this thing is done by their algorithm, which prints randomness, random numbers and stuff like that, I thought this thing would be like gambling. It's going to be so random. But as you can see, using the system that I developed for Forex trading, if you use the very same system again, by the way, to download this system, the link is in the description box below. It's not exactly the same system as I use for Forex trading that I've shared on some videos that are already on this channel. So if you want the system for Forex trading, MetaTrader 4, the videos are on this channel. Look for those videos after finishing watching this one. This particular system is for MetaTrader 5. It's for MetaTrader 5, so I actually had to use a different set of indicators. But it's still the very same concept. It's still the very same concept of trading psychological levels, trading from zone to zone. As you can see, there is no randomness on my chart. There is no randomness on my chart. I definitely thought deriv and these synthetic indices would be so random that you cannot analyze them using psychological levels and stuff like that. Maybe they are not such psychological levels when it comes to synthetic indices, but somewhat they are just levels. You can see price dancing along these levels. This system, the link is in the description box below. Again, if you want to download it, it only works on VIX 75 because of the way that deriv prices these synthetics. You cannot use the same system for jump 75, boom and crash and stuff like that, for example. So if you want me to share those other ones for jump 75, boom and crash 1000, volatility 75, one index and stuff like that, leave your comment in the comment section below. Like this video so that I know that you guys want to see more of this. I'm giving you all these things for free. So the least that you can do for me is to just like the video. So like I said, you can easily trade psychological levels or zone to zone on synthetic indices as well, just like you can do on Forex. If we just go to the 1 hour there, that's how I usually want to do this. What I usually do is I usually go to the higher time frame. This is 4 hourly. If you go to the daily, maybe too many lines for some people, they don't want to look at that. Maybe 4 hourly, still some lines. Maybe some people don't want to look at too many lines like that. Then maybe you can start on the 1 hour. You can start on the 1 hour. You can clearly see levels there. Candles bouncing off these levels. Tell me that this is random. Tell me this is random. When this candle comes at this level, this one at this level, this one comes again at this level, same level. Tell me if this is random. Tell me that this is random. Look how precise this can be. Tell me that this is random. So you can simply plug this system, download it, plug it onto your charts. I will share the settings that I have as we go with the video. Then definitely what you want to do is get an idea of what the 1 hour is doing. For example, we've got a bullish candle on the 1 hour there. If you're a person who loves to trade the 5 minute or the 1 minute, obviously what you want to do is to only look for buys and look at how price is respecting these levels, even on the 1 minute. Tell me that this is random. Even on synthetics, tell me that this is random. If you're a person who loves to scalp VIX 75 on the 1 minute, you could easily sold here, closed your trade here, sold there, maybe midpoint here, take part of your profit out and see what happens, trail this position and you collect some money. But what you want to do in this scenario to avoid situations like this is to just have an idea of what's happening on the higher time frame, what's happening on the 1 hour, 4 hour, what's happening on the 30 minute if you want, what's happening on the 30 minute, what's happening on the 15 minute. Then you can definitely decide what to do on the 5 minute and 1 minute. You just want to go, if the higher time frame is buying, just go with the buys, because VIX can be dangerous. You don't want to be caught in drawdowns. So what you want to do is just to go with the flow. That's how I definitely do this. This is how I do it also on Forex. If you want to download this for Forex, again, look for those videos on this channel. Then the settings that I have on these indicators, again, this is customized only for VIX 75. So you can see why it says key levels biggest, because I just customized that indicator just for VIX 75. So you can see the settings that I have here. I only set to show the 0 levels and the 50 the midpoint levels. Only that one is set to true. The 2080 is set to false. It's set to false. I don't need that. I just need zone to zone and also to print the midpoint. So that's what the only settings that you have here. And I've changed my color here to black. So for the key levels is actually black, and for the midpoints is also black. So the key levels biggest is this dotted indicator here. So, and then you just say okay, and we have our round levels indicator. I love this round level indicator. So when you place it on your chart, you are going to just do the same or not. You are going to have 10 levels. You are just going to have 10 there, and interval between zones in points, you are going to set it at 500,000 50 and 500,000. Then zone width in points, you are going to set it at 50,000. Then color up, you can set whatever you want. Maybe you want red. I prefer pink. I think it's good on my eyes. The color down, you can set it to blue or you can set it to lime, whatever rocks your boat. Then just leave these ones as false, maybe dark gray, line width 1, and just leave everything just I've left it there, and okay. Then this is candle timer. This is the candle timer. It just helps me to decide whether this candle is going to close below or it's going to close above. So if candle is the time is counting down there and it's less than a minute and the candle seems to be stuck here, then I know that probably we want to continue going up. If it comes down and it closes below and the time is running out, then definitely you probably want to sell. But candle timer also helps so that you don't enter when a candle is about to close, then it flips against you. So ideally you just want to enter when a candle is just starting or before it reaches the midpoint of that level in that candle in terms of time. Then those are the settings that I just have on that. That's all that you need for this system. Very simple, Very simple. So yeah, definitely test this thing out and see if it can also bring you results. I've been happy with it. I've been testing it a lot lately, and I definitely am happy with the results so far. So yeah, leave your comments in the comment section below. Download this thing in the description box below. It's good for scalpers. It's good for people who want to do some long-term trading on VIX 75. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.